Hello, OK1. I had a special request from one of our friends this week. On Friday during our drawing group, some of us drew symmetrical butterflies. Some of us chose to do something different, but many of us chose to do symmetrical butterflies. And one of our friends saw it and said, I'd like to know how you made your symmetrical butterfly, Mrs. Stevenson, and asked me to make a video. So here I am with my symmetrical butterfly. See how it's the same on both sides. It's like a mirror image on both sides. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of these symmetrical butterflies. Now, a picture is symmetrical when the shapes are the same on both sides, but also when the colors are the same. So if I have purple in this color, in this circle here, I also have to color the one across from it purple as well. This one is red, so directly across I colored this one red. Now, I'm going to show you how to do the drawing part, but I'm not going to color it with you because maybe you will choose to color yours different colors, and that's fine. I will show you how to draw it, and then you can color it any way that you like. And try, if you're making it symmetrical, try to match the colors on either side. Okay, now I'm folding my piece of paper in half, and I'm drawing a line down the fold. That way I know that it's the middle of the paper. Okay, so there's my drawing folded in half, and I'm going to start with the body of the butterfly, and then I'll do the wings after. So on one side of the page, I'm doing the head, and then I go in and I curve out for the body part. So that's how I started it. Right? And now I'm going to try to match it on the other side. There we go. And now, I don't really have a lot of room at the top. I have two swirly antennas on the top, and I tried to match it as much as I could. Now I have 1, 2, 3 bands through the center of the butterfly. There we go. Like that. And I started with coloring the head part totally gray. So this part I will color with you because it will be tricky to see the body part if I don't color the head. There we go. I colored the head. See? Now, I'm going to skip one section and color the next section. See there? And then I'm going to skip one section and color the next section again. And then on this one, the very bottom is totally gray, just like the head. So I'm going to, once again, skip one section and then do the very bottom totally gray like the head. It almost looks like a bee right now. the way that I've colored it. There, see? And then when you color it, if you want to, you can make those sections in the center. I made mine striped with different colors, but you can make yours any way that you want to when you start coloring it. Okay? Now, I need to do the wings. So this wing goes big around the top and out a little bit in the middle, and then big around the bottom again. I've made mine very bumpy. So now that I've drawn this side, I'm going to try to match the same on this side. Now, it's not going to be exactly identical. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect, but I'll do my best. There, I think that matches pretty well. It's the same sort of shape, right? So you match it as best you can. Okay. Now I'm going to do the designs on the butterfly's wings. Now I'm going to start with the bigger spaces, and then I'll fill in the smaller circles after. Okay? And I'm going to match each side as I go. So over here, I did a nice big circle with a small circle in the center. And because I did it like that on that side, I know I have to do the same on this side. So I'm going to do a nice big circle with a smaller circle in the middle. Okay? And then I did a blotch kind of like that. And I have a circle here, and a circle here, and a circle over here. Now, to match this shape on this side, it's a little bit tricky. The tall part of the shape needs to be closest to the butterfly's body. And the other part, the skinnier part, is farther away. All right? So the tall part is close to the body, and the skinnier part is farther away. Kind of like that. And then the two circles are closer to the body, and the one circle at the end is farther away. Okay. Now, I also have an oval shape down here. And so I need to put another oval shape down there. And then I have circles inside the oval. And then I'll match circles on this side of the oval. Now, in my drawing that my friend wanted to know how to do, I also have these smaller circles outside of the bigger circles. So let's do those next. Okay. At the top, I have one circle here. So I need to put another matching circle on this side. And there's also one circle here on this side, so I need to match that. The other side. And I've got, there is that one here. One here. And one down here. And this one has another smaller circle in the middle. So we need to match it. There needs to be a circle here with a smaller circle in the middle. And then another circle there. So this is all I'm going to show you today. I'm not going to show you how I colored it because I want you to use your own imagination. Maybe you remember how I colored mine and you'll choose to do it the same, but it would be nice if you colored it your own way. Maybe you'll only use 2 colors to color your butterfly. I think I used 4 colors to color mine. Maybe you'll choose 2. Maybe you'll leave some of the paper white and leave some spots white on your butterfly. I want to see what your imagination tells you to do. All right, friends, I hope you have a really fun time making that symmetrical butterfly. Bye for now.